Recently, I made two videos about rich people giving away free money like Oprah on a really good day, and your comments flooded like seagulls at a beach picnic, all asking for more videos like this. So I put on my detective hat, took my magnifying glass, and looked for more websites that rich and kind people give away free money. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 websites where generous rich people help those who really need the money. And if you appreciate me making these kind of videos more in future, please go ahead and like this video, and let's jump into the first website in the list. The first website we're going to use is Reddit. In Reddit platform, there is a subreddit where individuals offer and request kindness in various forms, including financial assistance, advice, gifts, and support. If you go to the Reddit platform and search for random kindness, you can see there is a subreddit with this name, and in this subreddit you can see that the different requests here for money or other things, and rich and kind people just come to these subreddits and read them and just help as much as they can. So what you need to do is just to create a Reddit account and join this random kindness community subreddit, and also read the community rules carefully. And then what you need to do is post your request and honestly describe what your situation and your needs are, and include any assistance that can help you. And if someone decides to help you, they will connect you through the comments or direct message. And also the amount of support is different and it depends on individual donors. Now let's imagine a situation where John is a college student and is struggling to afford textbooks for his new semester. So John posts a request on Random Kindness subreddit detailing his situation and the specific textbooks he needs, which total $300. A generous member of the community sees John's post and offers to purchase the textbooks for him. The donor buys the textbooks online and has them shipped directly to John, providing him with the resources he needs for his semester. The next website I'm going to talk about here is givedirectly.org. This is a great organization that provides cash transfers to people living in poverty. It is known for its direct approach, giving money directly to people in need in various countries, especially in Africa. So what you need to do is to register in this website and put all your information and all your financial problems. And what they do is that they contact you and offer their different types of services. The amount of support that they provide is different, but typically it's significant enough to make a substantial difference in the lives of the people. Now let's imagine a situation here. Aisha lives in a rural village in Kenya, and her family struggles to meet daily needs and afford school fees for her children. And what this platform does is to look at Aisha's situation, and based on their criteria, they try to help her as much as they can. So in this situation, Aisha and her family are selected to receive monthly cash transfer of $100 for 12 months, totaling $1,200. The money is sent directly to Aisha's mobile money account, which she can then use to buy food, pay for her children's education, or even invest in a small business. Now let's go to number 3 website in our list, which is modestneeds.org. It's a non-profit organization offering grants to low-income workers struggling with emergency expenses, avoiding the cycle of poverty before it starts. So what you need to do, if you are in a bad situation, you go to this website and you apply for an account, and then you submit your application detailing all your needs, which must be a specific emergency expense. So after that, your application is reviewed, and if approved, it goes live for donors to contribute. Once fully funded, Modest Needs pays the expense directly, for example, to your landlord, to your utility company, etc. Grants are usually $1,000, but also it depends on the situation and the specific needs. As an example, let's look at Linda, a single mother working a minimum wage job, and she suddenly faces a car repair bill of $800, without which she can't commute to work. So what Linda does is to apply for assistance on Modest Needs website by submitting proof of her income, the repair bill, and explaining her situation. And her application is verified and approved for listing on the platform, and donors collectively find the $800 needed for a car repair over a period of 2 weeks. Modest Needs directly pays the repair shop the $800 on Linda's behalf, ensuring she can go back to work. So let's go to the next platform, which is called benevolent.net. In this platform, it focuses on one-time support for individuals facing a specific hurdle that once overcome will help them to move forward. So what you need to do to go to this website and read through the guidelines for creating a profile, and then you need to be sponsored by a non-profit that verifies your need. Find a non-profit that collaborates with Benevolent and get their help to set up your profile. Once your profile is set up, share your story and need on the platform, and then donors contribute directly to your need. The amount of financial support varies, but it typically is geared towards specific achievable goals, like a piece of equipment, training course, and etc. Now let's consider Kevin as an example, who is an inspiring graphic designer who needs a new laptop to continue his freelance work and expand his portfolio. He estimates the cost at $1,200. And now let's see how the Benevolent platform helps. So what the Benevolent website does is that Kevin is associated with a local nonprofit that supports individuals in achieving employment goals. And then with the nonprofit's help, he creates a profile on Benevolent website detailing his story and the need for a new laptop. His story then resonates with donors who contribute various amounts over a month until the $1,200 goal is reached. Then Benevolent platform purchases the laptop and provides it to Kevin, allowing him to pursue more ambitious projects and increase his income. The last website in our list is Kiva.org. It's an international non-profit founded in 2005 with a mission to expand financial access to help undeserved communities. It allows people to lend money via the internet to low-income entrepreneurs and students in more than 80 countries. Kiva provides a platform for microloans, which are not donations but loans that you are expected to repay. So how can you apply for this? You need to sign up on Kiva.org and create a compelling loan request detailing who you are, what you do, and how the help will help your business or personal advancement. Your loan request is reviewed and then once approved is listed on Kiva for lenders to fund. And then funds are collected, and once funds are collected, you can request loans of up to $15,000. Then you need to repay the loans according to the agreed terms, and the repayment usually starts a few months after the loan is dispersed. Now let's consider Maria, an entrepreneur in Guatemala who crafts traditional textiles. She wants to expand her business but lacks the funds to buy more materials and hire help. Now let's see how Kiva.org can help her. Maria first requests a loan of $5,000 on Kiva to purchase materials and expand her workspace. After her loan request is approved and posted on Kiva, individual lenders from around the world contribute as little as $25 each towards her loan. It takes 30 days for the loan to be fully funded by multiple lenders, and then Maria receives the $5,000 loan and agrees to repay it over 24 months with a grace period of 3 months before the first payment is due. If you enjoyed this video, there are 2 other videos I created before in which rich and kind people are giving away their money to those who really need. And also I appreciate you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.